The first position is going to be simply clipping your neck hero to the bottom of your pillow. As you can see, it's a standard size pillow, which is the length of our neck hero. Hold it up so you can see. It's just going to hook to the bottom, and you will simply lay your head on the pillow and your neck will be supported here. This is great for back or side sleepers. The next position, what you're going to want to do is move your neck hero farther up on your pillow. This is all according to your comfort level. I choose to go about halfway. As you can see, it's about halfway up on the pillow with the clips. This position is going to be great for side sleepers as well as back sleepers. For side sleepers, it can help alleviate shoulder pressure and pain by simply lifting the weight of your shoulder or your head off of your shoulder and giving you neck support for your when you're sleeping on your side. It's also great for back sleepers who possibly tend to snore, as it can open the airway and help relieve the snoring. The next two positions are going to be primarily for side sleepers. The first one being in a diagonal position, like this. This position, when you're laying on your side, can help alleviate, again, shoulder pain, but also ear numbness. And our last position today is going to be the cradle. Oops. Which again is simply like that. Your neck will go over the neck hero and your head will be cradled, relieving that ear pain as well.